Namibia, a country that boasts some of Africa's most impressive landscapes. But did you know that you can also see penguins, go on hot air balloon rides, visit ghost towns, and even kayak with seals? That's right. After visiting over 30 countries, Namibia has taken a well-deserved spot among our top destinations. So in this video, I will be sharing the 5 must-visit places in this remarkable country. So let's get started. Number 1 is Swakopmund. If you're someone who thrives on adrenaline, welcome to the adventure capital of Namibia. The whole area, ranging from Walvis Bay to the Skeleton Coast, is filled with beauty and fun. In Walvis Bay, you can visit the Flamingo Lagoon and experience hundreds of them within arm's reach. You can also book some unique tours like the Sandwich Harbor, where you can see where the dunes meet the ocean, as well as going kayaking with seals, which was a personal highlight of our trip. Moving up to the Swakopmund town area, you can see a lot of the German colonial influence. Beautiful buildings, great restaurants and shops, as well as the beach, and you can also go quad biking through the dunes. And if you drive a little bit more up north, you will get to the Skeleton Coast, where you can see deserts and dunes like never before, as well as some impressive shipwrecks. This area is also where you can book amazing helicopter tours, as well as go skydiving in some of the most unique landscapes in the world. So, needless to say, there's no shortage of excitement here. Next up is Sossusvlei. This place is every bit as breathtaking as you can imagine. It is surrounded by majestic dunes and hills, as well as beautiful wildlife. While you're there, Sossusvlei is a must visit. A beautiful white sand desert with 1,000-year-old sun-scorched trees. It is also surrounded by beautiful red dunes, including Big Daddy Dune, and if you're looking for a challenge as well as beautiful views, try hiking up this 325 meters tall dune. The entire park is surrounded by beautiful landscapes and dunes, with another highlight being Dune 45, which offers beautiful views not only from the top, but even at the base of the dune, so highly recommend visiting. But the Sossusvlei experience isn't just about the dunes. The area is full of incredible lodges, offering both luxury cabins and affordable campsites. Finally, don't forget to visit Sisrium Canyon, which was carved by an ancient river, and it's a very tranquil and beautiful place to explore. Then we have Etosha, which boasts the widest variety of animals in the country. Whether you're visiting the large national park or one of the many game reserves nearby, you are guaranteed some memorable encounters. You can either hire one of the several safari tours offered or even drive through the park yourself. And speaking of that, there are wonderful accommodations not only just outside the park, but also lodging within the national park. So if safari is your thing, make sure to add Etosha to your trip. Next, we have Spitzkoppe. Spitzkoppe has some beautiful landscapes, rock formations, and even ancient hieroglyphs. You can go for just a day trip, or you can camp on site. It is the perfect place to go hiking and relax, and it's located between Swakopmund and Etosha, so it makes for a great stop in your road trip. Last but certainly not least, we have Lüderitz. This quaint town is the perfect blend of Namibian landscapes and its German heritage. As a matter of fact, we were lucky enough to experience their annual German carnival, where we were welcomed by the warmest community. Aside from the beautiful town, make sure to book a boat tour to Halifax Island, where you can see penguins, flamingos, and maybe even some dolphins. But the highlight was the German ghost town of Komenskop. This used to be a wealthy neighborhood, but it had to be abandoned as the dunes took over. It is both beautiful and eerie, so I highly recommend this fascinating tour. I hope this has given you a glimpse of what this incredible country has to offer. And if you want to download our 10-day Namibia itinerary for free, the link is gonna be in the description below, as well as in the comments. And don't forget to watch our entire Namibia series because we take you along all of our adventures, beautiful views, and some unexpected situations. And don't forget to subscribe to never miss any of our future videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at our next destination. Until then, bye!